Now they need to stop. Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah, I know, that one's huge. I like that one right there. It's like all white, like perfectly colored. Oh, look at this one coming up close.
I already give you guys a snack.
I want to see if it'll eat it out of my hand.
They're gonna fight. They're gonna come after you.
Who has the balls to eat it out of my hand? Come on. Come on. Come on.
No?
You only get it if you eat it out of my hand.
They're like, we're not. Sit down.
I like that white one. The perfectly white one. With then the like distinct black wings. But the other ones are like mixed feathers. Looking all dirty and shit. Come on. Oh. Alright, there you go. Ooh, the dirty black one who's got it. Yep. Quickest reflexes. Good job. And now a crow's in the mix.